Hot oil, peanuts, a pinch of salt, and you've got something delicious. Chicken, cucumber, carrots, and a simple sauce. And you've got a classic restaurant favorite, Kung Pao Chicken. Serve it with steamed rice, and it's absolutely amazing. The keys to getting it right are size, marinating, sauce, and temperature. Here are all the ingredients we'll need today. For the chicken, you can also use chicken thighs. They're a bit more springy and forgiving. Today, I'm using chicken breast. It tastes lighter, but you have to control the marinade and heat so it stays tender. This is where velveting helps. Slice the chicken breast thin, then cut into strips, and then into bite-sized cubes. Don't cut it too big. It won't absorb flavor well. Don't cut it too small. You'll lose that satisfying meaty texture. Now add salt, black pepper, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and egg white cornstarch. Mix well. Then add a little cooking oil and mix again. This helps lock in moisture. Let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Cut the cucumber into strips, then into chunks. Set aside. Chop the scallions. Slice the ginger. Cut into thin strips, then mince it. Set aside. Cut dried chilies into segments. Slice the garlic. Set aside. Slice the carrot, then cut into chunks. Blanch it for about 2 minutes. It'll cook more evenly when we stir fry. Now for the peanuts. Heat the oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Add the peanuts, use medium heat, and fry until most of them bloom and crack open. Remove them. Then sprinkle with a little salt and toss to coat. Let them cool. They'll turn super crispy and fragrant. Next, let's mix the sauce first, so we won't be scrambling later. Cornstarch, light soy sauce, Chinese black vinegar, sugar, and water. Stir until smooth. Leave a little oil in the wok, then add the chicken. Don't rush to stir right away. Let it set slightly, then flip. Cook until lightly golden and take it out. Don't overcook it. Chicken breast dries out fast. Set it aside. Leave a bit of oil in the wok. Add Sichuan peppercorns and stir briefly. That numbing aroma wakes up your taste buds and makes the flavors pop. Add dried chilies, then scallion, ginger, and garlic. Stir until fragrant. Add the chicken, cucumber, and carrots. Toss everything together for about 2 minutes. Pour in the sauce and stir for about 30 seconds. Add the peanuts, toss to combine, and plate up. Serve with rice, and it's seriously incredible. This is episode 1 of my Sichuan Classics series. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you want to see next.